Hey my lovies, it's your girl Nisha just dropping in to give y'all a try on haul. Now y'all know the video I did with showing you guys my Moto Jacket, so that is basically what this video is all about. Different looks with different Moto Jackets and different boots. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it all. This black shirt you're looking at came from Shein. I think it's really cute. It's nice, it's sassy. Dress it up or dress it down, and I just paired it with a pair of camo cargos. They're jogger style. This is the first jacket I chose to pair it with. This is the jacket that I got from Ashley Stewart, I believe it is. And the size is a 18-20. I will go ahead and let you guys know I am not the biggest fan of this jacket, and you're going to be able to tell with each clip and how my mood shifts in each jacket. It still looks good. I like it, but it ain't like my favorite. This jacket right here. Yeah, y'all see me? Y'all see me, right? That's the favorite jacket. And that jacket I got from Burlington Coat Factory. Love it. I think it was $17.99. I believe the Ashley Stewart jacket was, I got it for like 26 bucks, but that was on sale. Originally, I think it's like 50 something dollars. The boots that I have on are combat boots that I got from Walmart's. Y'all gonna see in the clip, they look huge on my feet, like huge, but it's an 8 wide. I should just got the regular 8 and it would have worked out. Here, I chose to pair it with a crossbody, which is really cute. If y'all saw my last video or a previous video that I did about the things that I got from Burlington, you would have saw this bag. It's really cute. Love the color. Everything about it is good. Like, I loved it. And you have the option to pair with a black crossbody as well. If y'all do not know, y'all know now I am a crossbody queen. I have a plethora of them, okay? But I just chose to use a few to show in these clips for these outfits that I wanted to show you guys and pair together. Yeah, so this is a cute outfit. I don't know like what I'm wearing for Christmas, but that could be a contender. Here it's just super basic. It's a basic green top with a faux leather skirt that I got from Shein and the combat boots that I got from Walmart. It's cute. Won't say it's a contender for the Christmas outfit, but it can most definitely work. And I'm gonna show you guys right here how you pair it with a jacket and how it just takes the look up a notch. And you know, it don't do the most, but it do enough, okay? I love this jacket. I don't know how many times y'all gonna hear that, but just get ready, okay? Because I think the jacket is what takes the outfit up a notch, because you can have really basic top, really basic bottom, but you need a statement piece. And for me, it's these jackets. Like, that's what it is. Here I chose to pair it with my Rowan satchel that I have from Coach. That's a real cute look. It's a little preppy, but it works. Like, it really works. And in this clip, I chose to pair with my Canteen bag, which is another look. Like, it's just, you know, you just need to take it up a notch sometimes or bring it down, whatever your preference, whatever you choose. But I think this look is cute. Don't know where I would wear it at, but you know, you could. Here is the Ashley Stewart jacket. I don't know, it's just something about this jacket that makes me look a little bit frumpy. You know, it don't look as put together as the other jacket. It just look like, oh, I might be cold, so let me grab this jacket. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I should have went down a size. But if I'd have went down a size in this jacket, I feel like the arms would have been like too snug for me. But it could work. It could definitely work. Here I am in the same top, just paired with some black skinny jeans. I do not know where those skinny jeans come from. They're old. I don't know. But in this one, I have on the combat boots as well, paired with the favorite jacket, okay? Like, I love this look. I love it. It's cute. It's simple. You ain't doing the most. Like I said, you just doing enough to, like, just, you know, take your look up a notch. And you can always add accessories, and you can always add a bag, of course. This bag has just become my favorite bag. It's like the perfect color for fall. Like, tell me it ain't. Just tell me it ain't. You can dress it up, dress it down. I just love the way it looks and how easily it pairs with almost everything in this video. Like it really can. And then here is the Ashley Stewart jacket yet again. You guys, do you see what I mean? Like it just, I don't know. It's a lot of something. I don't know what it's a lot of, but it's a lot of something. It's doing not what I needed to do, but it can work. I feel like if I zipped it up, it'll be too small, but it works, you guys. It works. And here I have on a Shein top. Y'all can see it's not my favorite. Like I look uncomfortable. It just have a little bit of stretch. If it had a little bit more stretch, I think I would be more comfortable in it. But this is one of my least favorite tops that I actually got from Shein. Love the color, but not my favorite like material. It looks good with the jacket, but I still feel like, not my 100% self. And I ain't feeling myself in this shirt. You know what I mean? You know how you have clothes that you feel yourself, and then you just have clothes that you have on. Yeah, I would just put that on. It's cute, but it's not like my favorite. But I like the way it came out. It was a good little look here. And here it is paired with the Ashley Stewart jacket. Yet again, it just looks really big to me. I think that's what it is. I really think I need to go down a size, and then I believe I will love that jacket. I just like it now. I'm not in love with it. I just like it. And that is paired with the boots and the black jeans, like I stated before. It's cute, but it look big. And here I am in a pair of jeans that I got from Target and the combat boots from Walmart. And that top is from Shein. That's the same top I had on with the camo pants. Here we are with the favorite jacket. Like, that looks good to me. Like, I love that. It's so cute. It's so cute. And I don't know if I stated before in the other clip, but that shirt is like a high-low shirt. So where it stops in the front, it's kind of like just folded over, and it just sits there. It's really cute. And in the back, you see it hangs a little lower than the jacket, like over your butt. So if you have those problems, this is a cute top. It's busty though, y'all. Like, your bust is gonna be out, girl. You gonna show the girls, and that's not a problem for me, but that could be a problem for somebody else. This jacket, it almost looked really, really good to me, but it's something. I don't know if it's the arms, but something is very frumpy. Like, just honestly, just me being honest, you guys. Like, something is frumpy. I'm not taking away from the look. I'm not taking away from me. Like, I think it's just a jacket. I don't know. But I do like this look. And here it is with the canteen bag. I think this is cute. Like, you see, it has potential. The jacket has much potential. I feel like gotta be careful what you pair it with. Here I am in a t-shirt dress that I think I got from Shein. It first impression is a no. You see it, like a whole no. But then I belted it and paired it with my favorite jacket and the boots. And it's cute. It's a really, 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 really cute. I would most definitely wear this anywhere, okay? Like, I don't even care. Like, I think this outfit is really, really cute. I do. And the material was very soft. It was kind of heavy, though. Kind of like that sweater material. And here I am with my Rowan satchel yet again, showing you how it looked with different bags. I think it's really cute here. Okay, girl, you feel yourself or what? And you can just put it on each arm. Like, the Rowan satchel, it really goes. That's really cute. I like that. I like that a lot. And here I am with the Ashley Stewart jacket, which it's giving frumpy yet again, but this one is okay. Like, this one, it's doable for me. It don't look as bad. Like, me looking back at the footage, it don't look as bad like with the other outfits. Yeah, that one's, it's okay. It's doable. It's doable. Okay, girl. Okay. And this, you guys, is the last outfit I picked this dress up from Ross. I think it was like $9. It does absolutely nothing for my figure, like at all. It's not flattering. So this is one of those dresses you most definitely have to play up, and that's what I'm finna do. You see, I put on the jacket. I did this one first because I was like, maybe this one could work. And it was just like something still wasn't giving what it needs to give. You know what I'm saying? Like it just wasn't, it wasn't giving what I needed. But when I belted it and changed the jacket, and I think I changed the shoes, it worked in my favor. Like, totally different look, right? Totally different look. It don't look so old lady-like, so grandma-ish, so frumpy. You know, like, why do I keep saying frumpy? But yeah, like, I like this look. Like, this is really cute. This could be something I can wear for Christmas if it's not cold. Like, I don't know what I want to wear, you guys. I don't want to be like uncomfortable. I want to be cute. Yeah, like that's just what I want. And here I am pairing this same outfit with my small town bucket bag. That's a really cute look. I like that. I like that a lot. So I still haven't made a decision on what I want to wear. 9 times out of 10, I'll probably wear something totally different than what y'all done seen in here. Here I'm pairing it with the canteen bag. This is cute as well. Okay, I see you. And here I have paired it with the crossbody. Like, to me, this would be probably the most comfortable bag to wear with this look. Like, I like this. It's cute, it's stylish, it's played up, and it's 100% comfortable. Like, girl, I can eat and be all right. Okay. All right, if you have stayed and watched this video all the way through, I just want to thank you. Kudos. Hats off to all of these people that do try on hauls, because honey, it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm hot. I am ready to get out all these clothes. You know, ready to take everything off, okay, and just be me. That's what I'm ready to do. But try on hauls are very fun. I just wanted to show you guys different looks that you can get with each jacket. Just go ahead and throw that out there. This one that I have on now is my favorite. Like, it looks good with each outfit. There's probably one outfit that looked good that I would actually wear with the other jacket that I have. I mean, don't get me wrong, both of them gonna get wear, but it is very safe to say that this one will get the most wear. And I need to go look for another one, because I'm most definitely gonna wear this one smooth out. Like, I ain't even finna hold y'all. Like, I'm gonna wear it smooth out. But if this is something that you guys would like to see regularly here on my channel, let me know. I have absolutely no problem doing them. And it would really give me a reason to just keep on shopping. Okay, like, I love shopping. Like, that's what I love to do. So if you guys like to see videos like this, just let me know. Drop that shit down in the comment box, and your girl will be rolling them out. Okay. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know which outfits were your favorite. How would you pair them? Which purse did you like? And which jacket did you prefer? Let your girl know. Let's chat it up down in the comment box, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, lovies.